What if I told you that building a stunning, fully functional smartphone website no longer requires a computer science degree? Say goodbye to coding headaches and hello to the future of web design. Right now, you're watching the magic happen on the screen. I just typed a simple conversational prompt detailing exactly what I wanted, and Claude is doing all the heavy lifting, translating my plain English ideas into a sleek, mobile optimized reality right before our eyes. It's like having a senior web developer working at a lightning speed entirely at your command. The real superpower of using Claude is how it completely moves the technical barrier to entry. You don't need to know a single tag of HTML or wrestle with CSS styling to get a professional result. Instead of getting bogged down in syntax, you get to step back and act as the creative director. Claude understands nuanced instructions. It iterates instantly and generates clean, responsive code that looks perfectly on any smartphone screen. It turns days of frustrating web development into a matter of minutes, empowering anyone to bring their vision to life without ever writing a single line of code. Just take a look on the screen. What you're seeing is a fully polished, interactive smartphone website that didn't exist just a few moments ago. Notice the clean layout, the modern aesthetics, and how perfectly it fits into the mobile display. Every button, every text block, and every design element was placed there by Claude based purely on that initial description I provided. You can see how intuitive the navigation feels and how seamlessly the interface flows. This isn't just a static picture, it's a complete, responsive, ready to launch mobile experience with touch friendly elements and perfect proportions. The best part, there wasn't a single frustrating bug to fix or style sheet to debug on my end. It's absolutely proof that with the right AI tool, the only limit to creating a professional grade website is your own imagination. Now, you might be wondering, how do I even know what to ask Claude to get such an amazing result? Well, here is the ultimate cheat code for a zero coding web design. I actually used AI to talk to AI. Instead of spending hours trying to engineer the absolute perfect, highly technical instructions myself, I start by going over to Gemini with just a raw, unpolished version. I give Gemini a simple brain dump of my ideas. I told I needed a prompt to build a smartphone website with a working navigation menu and fully functional pages. I specifically asked for a cool scroll trigger zoom demonstration, a video section featuring someone filming a surfer with the phone, and a dedicated pre-order page. To top it off, I just told Gemini to add some next level creativity to the whole thing. Gemini took that basic wish list and acted as my technical translator, and it expanded my simple sentences into massive, highly detailed master prompt, and that is perfectly optimized for a coding AI to understand. It fleshed out the UI layout, structured the HTML CSS requirements, and mapped out exactly how those complex scrolling animations and videos embedded should work together. It took my concept and turned it into an architectural blueprint. And here is where the real magic happens. I am taking this perfectly crafted, detailed prompt generated by Gemini, copying it, pasting it into directly Claude. We are letting Gemini's instructions, structural genius guide Claude's coding horsepower. Let's hit the enter and watch as Claude takes the master prompt and builds our fully functional, highly creative smartphone website right before our eyes. Copy this. Let me create a new chat, paste it here. So, all right, guys. The code is done generating, and I have got the live preview pulled up right here on my MacBook. To give you the true mobile experience, I have scaled my browser window to a smartphone width, and wow, just look at this. Right off the bat, you can see that the next level creativity Gemini asked for has completely translated into Claude's code. The interface is sleek, modern, and perfectly optimized for a smaller screen. Watch as I click the navigation menu. It drops down beautifully, and every single page link works flawlessly, instantly snapping us into a different section of the site. Now watch closely as I start to scroll. This is the dynamic zoom in feature was requested. See, move down the edge, that kind of scroll. Triggered animation usually takes a developer hours of writing custom JavaScript to get exactly right, and Claude nailed it perfectly on the first try. It feels incredibly premium, exactly like what you would expect from a flagship smartphone launch. Moving further down, we have lifestyle section, just like the prompt outlined here is the live video of the server. I don't think it has added that. The video player is not actually fully responsive, but we can actually fix that with the little prompt. Uh, yeah, finally, let's test out the pre-order page. I'll click the reserve now button. No, it has added that validation as well. Order confirmed. So yeah, lots small animation on the order confirmed button. That's also there. So yeah, think about what we just did and what we went from a rough idea in my head to a detailed blueprint via Gemini to a living, breathing, interactive website coded by Claude. And I didn't have to write a single line of it myself. So we can add actually more detailed instructions to that with the sections which are not working currently. We can, add those details like the surfer's video we can upload and ask the Claude, to zoom it properly or show it properly. And we can click on the custom pre-order button at an API as well. We can build backend in the from the Claude as well. So this provides actually a complete package to build a website. Yeah. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and tune to our channel for more exciting features, AI coding, and what's new in tech per se. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.